your tracks?
I should have known they had this in their pocket.
So you don't deny it?
I wouldn't insult your intelligence. I'm sure they came to you armed with proof, and you followed the numbers better than I ever could.
Why?
The best I can offer you is that it wasn't personal. It was just that, given your financial expertise, I thought you would seem plausible.
Plausible?
Obviously, my plan was that nobody would notice the money was missing in the first place.
So what was plan B?
I suppose so, Louis. I'm sorry.
You're so... Do you realize you could have destroyed my entire career? Maybe even send me to prison.
And you know what? I didn't care. That's the truth.